What if I told you that you're probably using AI all wrong? Imagine tapping into the full potential of AI, not just as a tool for basic tasks, but as a powerful autonomous agent that can take over complex workflows and drive real results. In 2026, the game has changed. Instead of relying on simple prompts, it's time to build AI systems that can set their own goals, make decisions, and execute tasks with minimal human involvement. Curious? Well, stick around because in this video, we're diving into how you can stop using AI like a basic chat tool and start getting actual results. We'll show you how to harness the power of agentic AI, leverage your proprietary data, and apply advanced techniques to make AI work smarter, faster, and more effectively than ever before. Ready to unlock the future of AI? Let's get started. 1. Shift from prompting to agentic workflows. In 2026, we're moving past the era of simple AI prompting. Remember when you could just ask AI to complete a task like write an email or create a summary? That era is ending. The future of productivity is in agentic AI systems, which are built to set goals, choose the right tools, and execute multi-step tasks without constant human intervention. Imagine this. Instead of typing out a request for AI to draft a single email, you task it with handling a multi-step process. An agentic AI would research a potential lead, write a personalized outreach email, and automatically log the interaction into your CRM system. That's an entire process handled from start to finish with minimal input from you. This shift moves AI from being a simple task executor to a self-sufficient agent that handles more complex, end-to-end workflows. The real breakthrough here is the rise of orchestration frameworks. Think tools like LangChain, AutoGen, and CrewAI, which allow you to create these interconnected AI teams. Each AI agent specializes in specific tasks like coding, research, or operations, and they work together seamlessly to handle large-scale projects. But here's the catch. This shift requires a change in your role as a leader. You're no longer doing the work, you're supervising. Your main task becomes overseeing these systems and defining clear guidelines for their execution, like setting spending limits and managing data access. Now, your job is to set strategic guardrails, only stepping in for high-risk or complex decisions. This is a human-in-the-loop, HITL model, where AI performs the bulk of the work and humans ensure it stays on course. It's a dynamic change from simply overseeing work to strategic supervision, where your involvement is minimal but impactful. 2. Leverage your proprietary data, the intelligence layer. The key to success with AI isn't just about having access to AI models. It's about leveraging your own proprietary data. Businesses that successfully integrate AI understand that the real power lies not in generic AI models, but in their unique data. This is an intelligence layer that distinguishes your business from others. Imagine trying to use a general AI model without tailoring it to your specific business context. It's like trying to use a generic recipe when you need something custom-made for your kitchen. Your business data isn't just a byproduct of your operations, it's your competitive edge. While general AI models can handle simple tasks, they lack the context that your proprietary data provides. When AI is grounded in your own documents, systems, and knowledge, it produces outputs that are tailored and relevant to your business. But how do you begin? The first step is to clean and centralize your data. Poor data quality is the number one roadblock to getting real results from AI. If your data is messy or fragmented, it limits AI's ability to provide actionable insights. You need to audit your data, ensure it's accurate, and organize in a way that AI can use effectively. Think of it like decluttering your office. Only when your data is neat and structured will your AI systems be able to perform at their best. Once your data is organized, the next step is to apply Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG 2.0. This method ensures that your AI is grounded in your own documents and materials, providing factual and tailored outputs. It's a smarter way to ensure that AI doesn't just give generic answers, but produces results that are deeply relevant to your operations. And don't stop there. Use knowledge graphs to map the relationships within your data. This will allow AI to go beyond simple keyword matching, enabling it to understand context and make more informed decisions. When AI has access to a rich, structured dataset, it becomes capable of performing at a level that general models can't match. Your unique data will allow AI to offer solutions that are not only accurate, but highly specific to your business, giving you a serious edge over the competition. 3. Apply advanced 2026 prompting techniques. In 2026, prompting AI isn't just about asking basic questions anymore. To get real results, you need to apply advanced prompting techniques that can increase the accuracy and reliability of the AI's outputs. While simple prompts worked in the past, today's world requires more strategic interaction with AI to ensure you get the most out of it. One of the most effective techniques is chain of verification, COVE. This method involves asking the AI to not only provide an answer, but also to verify its own work. After the AI generates an initial response, you instruct it to ask a series of questions that challenge its own answer. Then it answers those questions, checks for consistency, and gives a final, corrective response. This self-review process boosts accuracy dramatically, from roughly 60% to over 90%. It's like having an internal quality control system within your AI, ensuring that the results you get are the best possible. Another powerful technique is role-based constraint prompting. Here, you assign the AI a specific persona, like a senior Python engineer with 10 years of experience, and then set hard constraints to the task. For example, you could tell the AI, must complete the task using less than 2 gigabytes of memory. These constraints ensure that the AI produces production-ready outputs rather than quick drafts or incomplete solutions. It's a great way to focus the AI's output and keep it aligned with real-world requirements. For more complex tasks, self-consistency is essential. This technique involves asking the AI to generate multiple independent outputs for the same task. You then select the most frequent or logical answer. By generating several options and filtering out inconsistent results, you increase the chances of getting accurate, reliable answers. This is a great way to reduce hallucinations or inaccurate outputs that AI might produce when dealing with complex scenarios. These advanced techniques aren't just nice to have, they're essential for businesses looking to optimize their AI systems for the highest level of precision and impact. 4. Focus on measurable business value, ROI. Finally, let's talk about real-world impact. If you're still running AI experiments, it's time to shift your focus. Real results come from driving measurable business value, not from testing random AI tools. In 2026, successful AI integration focuses on clear, tangible outcomes, such as increased ROI and enhanced operational efficiency. Start by identifying high-impact areas in your business where AI can make a direct contribution to your bottom line. Think about things like demand forecasting, hyper-personalization, and real-time supply chain adjustments. These are the areas where AI can drive immediate impact. But here's the kicker. Don't just bolt on AI to existing workflows. Instead, rethink entire processes from the ground up. Delegate routine tasks to autonomous agents, so your team can focus on the 20% of tasks that generate 80% of the value. Whether it's automating customer support or optimizing logistics, AI should become integrated into your workflows in a way that amplifies efficiency and results. And most importantly, use real-time data. Move away from the old ways of batch processing and implement streaming data. This gives you immediate insights, allowing you to react faster and more accurately to things like fraud detection or dynamic pricing. So, now you know. Getting real results with AI isn't about using fancy models or relying on basic outputs. It's about using orchestrated systems, leveraging proprietary data, and applying advanced techniques to drive measurable business outcomes. In short, it's about treating AI like a strategic partner, not just a tool. Ready to make that shift? Start by building your own agentic workflows and moving away from one-off prompts. Clean your data, build knowledge graphs, and ensure you're using advanced techniques to maximize accuracy. Once you do that, you'll see the real benefits of AI in your work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to get the most out of AI. Let me know in the comments, what AI strategies are you already using, and where do you see room for improvement? Until next time, take charge of your AI strategy and see the real difference it can make. Competition